Years ago, I was a software development executive. One of our teams was building a modern payment platform. They'd been at it for over a year. They wanted it to be the best ever. So they kept adding features and more features and more features. But the delivery date was coming, and we had 100 banks who already bought this platform. We released it to the first 5 clients. Amazing. Within days, the platform froze. Money transactions stuck in queues. Clients were furious. The CEO called me to his office and said, "This is killing our company. I need you to fix it." So I walked into my first meeting with the team, piles of papers on every desk, 3 whiteboards covered with features in different colors, and in one small corner, the number 1,200 discovered bugs. On another board, a list of the next 20 clients to implement. The top 5 had dates in red. Next to each name, one word: froze. We spent 5 hours reviewing the feature roadmap. The team was, excited about what's next, but also anxious about, nothing working. Then at 10:30 at night, I had this aha moment. I said, "We're going to deliver none of this." Silence. Let's make a list of features to remove. The team lead, exploded, left the room and slammed the door. He never came back. But here's what happened next. We removed features that were not core to the platform's real value, securely transferring money. Removing features removed hundreds of bugs. Within a month, we installed successfully at dozens of clients. Then, very slowly, we added features back. Here's what I've learned. Lack of focus isn't a mindset problem. It's the most expensive problem in your business. And in this video, I'll show you 5 ways you're guaranteeing your business never scale. And yes, how to fix each one. Trap number 1, trying to be the best for everyone. Go ahead. Make sure your product or service is for everyone. Don't define the problem you're here to solve. Don't identify your ideal client. Just say yes to anyone who wants what you're selling. Create a unique product for each one. Build a service so dependent on each client's whims that you can never scale it. Sounds familiar? Here's how to bring the focus back. Identify the key problem your company exists to solve. Why you? Why not someone else? If you can't answer that clearly, neither can your clients. Then define who experiences that problem most painfully. That's your ideal client. What are they going through? What do they want? What do they hate? When you know the problem and the person, saying no becomes easy. Trap number 2. Solve all the problems, even the ones not asked. Yes, do it all, every time, all the time. Your client has a problem, solve it. They have another one? Sure, solve that too. They didn't ask for it? Doesn't matter. Add more features, more services, more options. Every edge case, every what if. Keep building until you have 3 whiteboards full of features and $1,200 in the corner. Painful, right? Here's how to bring the focus back. For every feature you add, remove one. No joke. Make it a rule. 1 add, 1 remove. What is the core problem you exist to solve? For my payment team, securely transferring money. That's it. That's what the client paid for. Everything else could wait. When we remove features that weren't core, hundreds of bugs just disappeared with them. Less isn't a compromise. Less is how you scale. Less is more. Trap number 3, change direction to the next shining thing. You see it, you got to have it. Of course your client will want it too. New trend, chase it. New software platform, new editing tool, go and get it now. Competitor launch something, match it. Keep chasing the shining new thing. One of my clients was a restaurant owner. He specialized in pizza. Great pizza, I love it. Loyal customers. Then they added ice cream. Then a bagel counter. Then sushi. Then Mexican. After the 5th menu, their business just gasped for air. 5 menus, 5 supply chains, 5 identities, 0 focus. Who wants pizza that smells like fish? Here's how to bring the focus back. You set, not chase. What are we known for? What do clients come to us for and only us? Double down on that. Let your competitor chase, you stay. Focus is how you become irreplaceable. Trap number 4, make sure everyone on the team desire is met. Another brainstorming meeting, amazing ideas. He wants this, she wants that, they want that. The team is excited. You say yes, yes, yes. I once watched a client lead a 2-hour brainstorm. 35 new features. Every idea was amazing. Every idea implemented. The one word never said, no. Here's the truth. Every yes to something new is a no to someone already waiting. Lack of focus is paying the hidden cost of your thoughts. Do you feel this cost every single day? Here's how to bring the focus back. Practice saying no. Empower your team to say no to anything that evades focus. Make no safe, make no expected. Here's a new mindset. Ideas are great. Execution is what generates freedom. Your whiteboard full of ideas isn't an asset, it's a liability until you ship. Trap number 5, no need to have a clear deadline. Life is easier with no deadlines. Work on new features with no end date. Don't challenge any time frame. Never, never set yourself a timeline, a deadline, and end dates. Take as much time as you need to make it perfect. How many great things have you achieved with no end date? Here's the truth. Time is one of these resources that we can't control, but we can choose what gets our time. Prioritize your time, prioritize your focus. 3 things I do. 1, I don't start any major effort without an end date. 2, I challenge my people to think in hours instead of days, days instead of weeks. And 3, I don't negotiate with myself. Once the date is set, I deliver. Deadlines aren't pressure, deadlines are focus with a finish line. You don't need to be the best for everyone. You don't need to provide all the solutions. You can let others chase the next shining things while you stay on your course. Saying no is the path for freedom, and remember, deadlines are focus with a finish line. Lack of focus isn't a mindset problem, it's the most expensive problem in your business. Now, you can see the traps and the way out. So if this way of thinking works for you, stay with me. We're building something remarkable here. Thank you for watching.